Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how a day in my life looks like. I just finished my morning ritual, now it's time to wash my track bike. After cleaning my bike, I could stare at it for hours. I could stare at it for hours. Geom protects my motorcycle 360 degrees. After every track day, it's easy to clean and I can enjoy it to the fullest. The paint protection film protects my custom color and it gives it more shine. A unique brand that constantly strives to be a step ahead of the detailing market. They develop, formulate and manufacture every product in-house. Check out their large range of maintenance products, ceramic coatings and PPF. So the weather's looking beautiful today. Let's go for a ride.
Pressure make diamonds, so I'm covered in ice. Got me out for the whole pie, I don't want a slice. In a room full of bad girls, that's not my type. Cause I'm married to the game, baby, that's my wife. Whole board getting wiped down, we don't play light, never sight down. Boxes getting checked off, cause that's what I write. Got wings made of hundreds, I'm about to take flight. Going up, going up, blow it up, blow it up, hold it up, hold it up, blow 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 it up. Hold it up, hold it up, blow it up, blow it up. Can't you hear the buzz? That's the money machine. Big stacks break off the whole team when you hear the buzz. That's the money machine. Big name, all caps, long paper, tall green. Can't you hear the buzz? That's the money machine. Big stacks break off the whole team when you hear the buzz. That's the money machine. Big name, all caps, long paper, tall green. Kill the track, then I'll run it back. Bring it all to life. Trying to shoot for the moon, yeah. You can get sniped. Too blessed in the flesh now. You can get Skype. Pro try to dunk on him with the left or the right. I'm just digging in. 1, 2, hut, height. Rain or snow, you can get it, bro. Just how you like. Wrist shine in the light until it blinds your sight. And it is what it is. So
I enjoyed my ice cream. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next one. Ciao!